Hello dear friends, good afternoon. My name is Haiying. I am a teacher and today I would like to share some of my homemade recipe. They are simple and easy and you can add your own character flavor into the food. Ooh, I have finished it because it's so delicious. And I personally like vegetable very much, and I am not a complete vegetarian, but eating vegetable makes me feel happy and comfortable and easy to digest. So in this cooking class, I mostly focus on vegetables. Maybe sometimes with some meat, but mostly to eat vegetables, green leaf, root vegetable. You will see the recipe, you will see the step-by-step cooking, and there is not very much editing in it. And a 10 minutes video is mostly a 10 minutes of the cooking process so that you are not rushed into preparing something. We are cooking together. Bon appetito. Do, 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 do.